How to draw arrows on chess.com. First things first is open up any web browser that you have on your mobile device, and then just simply head directly to chess.com. For you to be able to access all settings in chess.com, including the arrows or highlighted movements, all you have to do first is to make sure that you create an account. It's totally free. Now, once you have successfully created an account, make sure that you are fully logged in. Now, as of 2025, all settings is changed. It is located at the top left portion of your screen, which is going to be on the three lines. And then at the bottom part of that portion, just head to settings and go to all settings. And here, if you head over to board and pieces, you won't be able to locate highlight moves. So what you want to do is just to use the magnifying glass or the search box. Now type in highlight and make sure that highlight moves is turned on. And that's it. It's the easiest way for you to be able to draw arrows on chess.com mobile.